Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is brought to you by the developers of the Stock Analyst Master Station, aka SAM. It's at the developers station. We just wanted to give you a preview of what this app can do. We are very proud of this app. And if you notice right here, SAM has a built-in broadcast mode, so you can make your instructional videos or your YouTube videos right here in SAM. We scroll up to our dashboard. We start off with a start off with your dashboard where Sam can see the charts that will eventually populate here. Also, you have a view to social media networks like Reddit. You can see what they're discussing and on the Wall Street bet trends. You got your today's date. You have your Ask About Sam menu where you can actually conversate in live mode with Sam. Should you want to actually speak with Sam, you can go and do all that right there. If you want to have a live conversation with Sam, you won't actually have to do that right now. We will get into some hearing Sam speak, and you got your simple profile set up. Again, that's my name, but you can find me if you want to email me. Go ahead. The email address is loaded with junk mail. We have our master station 10 chart panel right here. You can engage and analyze here as well. Sam will take a look at the charts. If you click on any of these eyes, Sam will be able to see the charts and analyze them and give you a analysis of these here charts. My favorite feature perhaps is the chart co-pilot. You put it in that chart co-pilot mode and watch this. We simply type an objective, analyze the charts, and generate. Call. We want to generate option play cards with expiration date, as well as the entry, the strike price, and exit strategy. I think strategy. Don't make any fun of me. Strategy. I think that is it. Exit strategy. We'll just leave it at that. We'll go ahead and see if I got any charts populated. Let me go ahead and bring up a chart on another screen real quick and get it ready. We'll type in that. We'll look for that stock chart real quick. Let me find the right stock chart. My tools. I believe I can find the stock chart over here. Let me just go ahead up here, type S. Yes. Symbolic. That's what we want here. We'll get a chart pulled up. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be giving you more information and videos on how to use the Stock Analyst Master Station, also known as SAM. Okay, so we got a nice chart pulled up, and we're going to show you what SAM is going to do. Okay, so now we got our chart pulled up. Let's go right into it. You hit the start screen. You find your chart. It could be trade view, it could be symbolic, whatever chart viewing website you use. Sam doesn't care. He will analyze it for you. You share that. We come back into the master station. We hit start AI Copilot, And we wait a little bit, let Sam take a look at that chart. I'll go adjust the chart for different intervals of time, the daily chart, the hourly. We'll get us some different analysis that's going. So let's drop it on down to the hour. We are currently on the Meta stock. Currently has looks like it's around there, around $748.50 at 57 cents at the moment. I apologize. And we'll see what analysis Sam will give us on the 748.57 strike price of Meta currently on the hourly. And then, of course, let me drop down to the 15-minute interval on that as well, so we can get us some variations in analysis, and we'll just let Sam do his thing. Okay, we have this. No. Done. And
$2.45,
there you go.
up a bit today. And you're pointing out the chart intervals. We're on the daily chart now, and you mentioned the hourly too. It's smart to cycle through those time frames to get a full picture. Right now, I'm just seeing those horizontal lines you've drawn in. They look like key levels, perhaps previous highs, lows, or areas of strong support resistance, like that $748.57 line very close to the current price, or the $795.62 line, which looks like a potential target or ceiling. The $700 and $600 levels are also significant psychological areas. To truly dig in and spot those high probability setups for an options play, I'd love to see the actual price action, the candlesticks themselves. Can we load those up and see how Meta has been moving around these levels? Once those candles are visible, we can really start to analyze the momentum and potential entry/exit points for a play. What do you think? Should we get those candles on screen?
Sam, I'm just switching around through different charts.
All right, Brandon, excellent. We're looking at Meta on the 60-minute chart, currently at 752.45. I can see those horizontal lines and that upward sloping price channel you've got marked out. That's a great starting point for our analysis. What immediately catches my eye is how Meta has found some support right around that 748.57 horizontal line. It dipped below it briefly around September 2nd, but it's now back above and looks like it's trying to consolidate here. Do you see that slight bounce off that lower level, around 730, and the push back up to test this 748, 752 area as well? It feels like it's trying to reclaim some ground. Based on what I'm seeing, if Meta can hold this 748.57 level and push higher, we could see a nice move. I'm thinking about a short-term call play if it confirms strength above its current mini range.
Okay, and that was a great bit of detail from our buddy Sam there. And also on the
Okay, Brandon, I understand you're cycling through different time frames, which is a fantastic approach to get a full picture. I'm currently looking at the NVIDIA NVDA chart you've displayed, showing the price at $167.02. However, I did hear you mention Meta stock and specific price points for it, like $148.50 and later $748.57 for a strike. Could you clarify for me, are we analyzing NVDA for a potential options play right now, or have we transitioned our focus to Meta? Once we're clear on the underlying asset, we can definitely get those candles on screen for that asterisk stock to really dig into the price action.
Okay, and as you can see, Sam is very aware of the stocks. We have trained him very well. He is very efficient at analyzing different candlestick patterns and analyzing different breakout patterns as well. So He is definitely a jewel to have. We love to work with Sam, and as you can see, once you get your information from Sam, you can actually print out a lot of that information in a PDF friendly file, giving you some of those inputs on some of those strategies that Sam mentioned, buying calls and different play for your stock option strategies. So right back to it, we'll get right back into more of the demonstration. Sam has a built-in brokerage. Um, you have three options: Alpaca, Robinhood, or Webull. He also has a research terminal where you have your posts on the up-to-date YouTube, great analysts, people from YouTube, and different entities on the YouTube that are stock professionals, stock enthusiasts, analysts, you name it, ideas. You got everything at the touch of your fingertips. You have earnings informations, everything relevant, charts on every page. You can always use Sam's eyes to view a chart, and he will give you the same similar analyzation, but in more like a text format in these areas. We have our options analyzer. We have AI trade ideas. We can get those live from Sam based upon his analysis and what he's seen. You can make plans and create a master plan here and have it live generated based upon the market and current conditions, news, conjecture, and things that is going on that all are indicators of what might come. Yeah, social intelligence. Once again, we have our posts on Reddit, just in case those retail traders decide to want to push something up, and we need to know about it. Roaring Kitty might return, and should GameStop boost to all-time high, we'd know about it before it happens. That's right. We have our community hub. Here is just like similar to a Reddit or a social media network where you can set up different discussion rooms and talk about things pertaining to financial matters, stocks and trading ideas and strategies and whatever you want to come up. You can create a nice room here and people can come and get in on the discussions. Have our collaboration suite. This is where you create new rooms as well. You can collaborate in here as well. We have a video library where everyone that wishes to post a broadcast or any kind of instructional videos on what they see pertaining to the stock market, they can go ahead and post a video here. We will all be able to share in on the video library. We have a pattern scanner, of course. You can analyze and scan patterns at your wheel here. Find patterns, breakout patterns, and analyze charts for yourself. You can use Sam's eyes and he'll analyze alongside you for confirmation. We have a nice portfolio optimizer with some coding here that is a special formula for doing mathematical equations on portfolios to balance them out perfectly. We have our concept explorer here. You can explore different concepts, wave theory, gains, angles, moon tides, candlestick patterns, doji, hammers, shooting star, bullish engulfing, dark clouds, Hamari, you name it. We have those candlestick patterns ready to present. You have a nice journal here where you can select different stocks, journal what you notice, take notes, organize your ideas. We also have alerts here, live market and world news, information provide. We could search up different things and look on the market right now. We also have news feeds coming in. So you got your posts on everything here. We also went ahead and threw in while you're trading, you can go ahead and listen to you some music. if you're into the grooves. Let's see what we got to play here. Okay. Well, I most certainly have did this, so let's see if that we can get that groove to play. Let's see if we can get that groove to work. We're here. So that's good. That's just a demonstration of all the features that are here at the Stock Analyst Master Station. We thank you for watching this YouTube video and stay tuned for more from Sam. He's just going to get better and better. Sam learns as he goes. So you could actually have Sam to watch and analyze videos with you as well as the charts. So that's another feature that Sam is capable of doing. You can actually put a video right here. You don't have to just do charts. And Sam will analyze the video with you as well. Um, Sam is pretty much your all in one stop shop to getting your stock market analysis and stock market ideas together. So we appreciate you. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will continue to show you how to operate and demonstrate the power of Sam. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.